Say goodbye to the old wind blowing. Hello to all the new winds coming. Our life is gonna change, so ride with me. Whether you